Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to Heather's East Kitchen. Today on the video, we are going to be making pork chops on the Power XL grill, guys. This is going to be my second time using the grill since I got it, so I'm excited to see how these pork chops turn out. So we're going to start off by getting these pork chops seasoned. I'm going to be using my Morton's Nature Seasoning to season them with. I'm going to keep it real simple and plain. And that's olive oil. I'm going to use that to base on top of my pork chops before they get onto the grill. Alright guys, so we're going to start off by getting these pork chops seasoned. Again, we're just using the Morton seasoning. I want to keep it nice and simple because I really want to see what flavor it brings out with using this grill, so I'm keeping it nice and simple. So you want to season both sides with your pork chops and then rub that seasoning in, guys, because you want that seasoning to get down into the meat. Alright, now that we got them pork chops seasoned, we're going to brush some olive oil on both sides of the pork chops. The reason why we're putting the olive oil on there, guys, because either you can spray your grill pan so the food won't stick, or you can use the olive oil. And plus, the olive oil gives it really great flavor in itself just by using that. So this is why I'm using this instead of spraying my grill pan, guys. Alright guys, now we're going to go ahead and get these pork chops placed on the grill. Alright guys, I wanted to show you real quick what temperature to put your Power XL grill on. We are using this at 300 degrees for this recipe. Alright guys, so we are starting the second batch of pork chops. That first batch took about 20 minutes to cook. Alright, so we're about 15 minutes in on this batch. I'm going to spray a little Palm on the top of the meat, guys, just to give it a little bit more moisture. My grill's starting to dry up a little bit, and it's starting to brown a little too fast, so I'm putting a little bit of more oil on here just to help it out a little bit for these last 5 minutes. Alright guys, the pork chops are done, guys. Look at how good they turned out. They are delicious. I did steal a piece. They're great. Let me know down in the comments if you guys try this recipe, and thank you so much for watching, and share this video with your friends and family, and I'll see you guys in the next video.